Hello, and welcome back to Learn with Confidence, your go-to channel for making English learning simple and fun. In today's video, we'll be practicing daily English phrases that will help you in real-life scenarios. These practical phrases are essential for navigating everyday situations and will boost your confidence in speaking English. Let's get started. 1. At the coffee shop. Coffee shops are a great place to practice everyday English. Here are some phrases you can use when ordering. Can I have a coffee, please? A polite way to order a coffee. What kind of milk do you have? Ask this if you're particular about your milk choice. Can I get that to go? Use this if you want to take your coffee with you. Could I have it with no sugar? Specify how you want your coffee made. How much is that? A simple way to ask for the price. These phrases will help you order quickly and politely in any coffee shop. 2. In a taxi or ride-sharing app. Getting around is easier when you know the right phrases to use with drivers. Here are some essential phrases. Can you take me to place? A simple way to tell the driver where you're going. How long will it take to get there? Ask this if you want to know the estimated travel time. Please go straight. A useful direction to give the driver. Can you drop me off here? Let the driver know where you want to stop. How much do I owe you? Ask this when you're ready to pay for the ride. These phrases are great for smooth communication with your driver. 3. At the grocery store. Shopping for groceries involves several common conversations. Here's what you can say. Where can I find item? Use this when you need help locating a product. Do you have this in a different size? A good phrase when you need a different option. How much is this per pound? Ask about pricing by weight. Is this on sale? Use this to check for discounts. Can I use a coupon? A useful phrase if you have a discount coupon. These phrases will help you handle any situation at the grocery store. 4. Making small talk with neighbors. Building connections with neighbors is easy when you know the right small talk phrases. How's your day going? A great way to start a conversation. Have you done anything fun this weekend? Ask this to chat about weekend plans. How are the kids? A friendly way to ask about their family. Do you need any help with that? Offer help in a polite way. I'm planning to activity. Want to join? Invite them to join in on plans. Small talk helps build relationships and makes your community feel more connected. 5. At the bank or ATM. When you need to handle banking transactions, these phrases will come in handy. I'd like to make a withdrawal. Use this when you want to take money out. Can I deposit this check? Ask this when you need to deposit a check. How much is in my account? A simple phrase to ask about your account balance. Do you charge any fees for this? Ask this if you're unsure about any extra charges. I need to transfer money to account. Use this for making a money transfer. These phrases will help you manage your banking needs with ease. 6. At the doctor's office. Going to the doctor requires a few specific phrases. Here's what to say when you're at the doctor's office. I have an appointment with Dr. Name. Let them know who your appointment is with. I'm feeling symptoms. Describe how you're feeling to the doctor. Can you recommend a treatment for this? Ask for a treatment plan if you need it. Do I need to take any medicine? A simple way to ask if you need medication. How long will I need to rest? Ask about recovery time if you're unwell. These phrases will help you communicate with doctors clearly and effectively. 7. At the post office. Sending packages or mailing letters requires knowing some key phrases. I need to send this package to address. Use this when mailing a package. How much does this cost to ship? A question to ask about shipping fees. Can you help me with this form? If you need assistance filling out a form. I'd like to buy some stamps. A phrase to use when you need postage. Is this the fastest shipping option? Ask this when you need to send something quickly. These phrases will make your trip to the post office quick and efficient. 8. At the restaurant. Ordering food at a restaurant can be stressful if you don't know the right phrases. Here's how to order like a pro. Can I have a table for number, please? A polite way to ask for a table. What do you recommend? Ask the waiter for suggestions. I'll have the dish, please. Please, a simple way to place your order. Could I get the check, please? Use this when you're ready to pay. Is service included? A question to ask if you're unsure about the tip. With these phrases, dining out becomes much easier and more enjoyable. And that's a wrap for today's video on daily English practice for real-life scenarios. These phrases are essential for everyday situations, and practicing them will help you feel more confident speaking English in the real world. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get more practical English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye for now.